So, we get a lot of questions about what it means to work with Ritter Insurance Marketing.
Today, we're asking our agents' most commonly asked questions.
Let's get started.
What kind of lead programs does Ritter offer?
By visiting shopritterim.com, you can view leads that are geared towards Medicare, final expense, special election periods, annual enrollment periods, and even Medicare Full. There are also leads that are geared towards hosting an educational event. This could be by direct mail or an event flyer. You could use your contact information and display your logo and let your clients know where to meet you and what topics will be covered.
Do I need to have all of my contracts with Ritter?
No. Ritter has 120 plus carrier partners, and you can have as many or as few contracts with us as you choose to. Obviously, we would love for you to have all of them with us. But at the end of the day, it's your decision to make on how many contracts you choose to have with Ritter Insurance Marketing.
How can Ritter help with marketing?
There's 3 primary ways that we typically work with agents to help them with their marketing plan. First up is the resources, next up is strategy, and the third way that we help is through support. So for resources, the primary resource that we offer is our Shop Ritter IM website. This features CMS-approved direct mail pieces, promotional trade show items, Medicare Full branded marketing pieces as well. And it is a turnkey process, so you can order your piece and put in your zip codes and specifications to mail those directly out to your consumers. The next piece would be our strategy. So once you've reviewed the resources that we have available to you, we have local field representatives, territory sales specialists that work directly with you to help you customize your plan and answer your questions. We've got a variety of specialists within the sales team that partner and work directly with our agents to help them grow their business. So now you've got your resources and you've talked to us and built out your strategy. The next piece is going to be support. So we do offer support to agents, typically in the form of co-op. We do typically co-op at the agency level. So if you work with an agency, make sure you reach out to your upline to discuss what the options are for you. So these are 3 ways that we typically partner with agents for marketing, and I hope this helps. We look forward to working with you.
What products can I be contracted with through Ritter?
If you're in the insurance business, we offer all the products that you would actually want to sell. From Medicare Advantage to Medicare Supplement, life insurance, underage products, we've got it.
Being in the senior market, that also means that there's other supplementary type of coverages. We call it ancillary products. These are going to be hospital indemnity plans, cancer plans, dental, vision, and hearing. You name it. Pretty much anything that's in the senior market, we've got it covered.
What makes Ritter stand out from other FMOs?
So what I feel really sets Ritter apart from other FMOs, I'd kind of summarize in 3 basic parts. One, technology, which has always been a strength at Ritter. The second one has to do with the contracts, and the third is training and support, the people really, that make a big difference. So from a technology standpoint, I feel like the Ritter platform is very unique. I mean, most FMOs now do have some sort of a enrollment tool or a system that you can go onto and submit applications. But I feel Ritter's really does stand out because it was custom built for this industry. It's not cookie cutter. We are able to actually make changes by requesting updates. So when you guys have feedback that you provide to me, I share that with people on the tech team, and they're able to actually update and make changes to it to improve the experience. So that makes a big difference to me. Also, the Ritter Docs site or page itself is almost like a Medicare wiki. There's everything you could ever imagine in there, from every carrier, where to find your certifications every year for Medicare Advantage and prescription drug, which those are all huge, and can really be a time saver for you. The contracts, also great. I mean, you can get contracts at a lot of places, but There's not many places that have all of the contracts we have. First off, and second of all, the transparency on the commission levels with the contracts is really, was for me a big key point in wanting to do business with Ritter when I was just an independent broker and not affiliated with the company. And then lastly, and probably most important, the support, the training, and the people. I feel that it's hard as an agent to get support from other people that actually are licensed agents that have sold insurance. And that is one thing that you can get here at Ritter that you won't find a lot of other places. We do have tons and tons of training going on, and obviously you got to work and make money too, but having that training available for the items that you want training on is valuable, and having it done by people that actually have sold really makes a difference too.
Does Ritter have an open release policy?
Yes, Ritter does have an open release policy. We believe by releasing a broker upon request, we can always have them come back if wherever they were going, the promises they were being told were not kept. We feel if we give them a hard time for a release, and wherever they go they're not happy, well then they're not going to come back to Ritter. They'll just find another place to go. Practicing this open release policy has shown Ritter that we do get a good percentage of them to come back to Ritter. We do provide a high level of service. Competition is very fierce in the FMO world. People are always being offered leads, more money to leave, but the level of service that we provide cannot be matched. So we feel like if we release them upon request, they will always, for the most part, come back to us. A mentor of mine once told me it's always easier to get someone than to keep someone. And one of the ways we keep someone is we give them a high level of service and commitment.
What kind of technology does Ritter offer?
The type of technology Ritter has, we like to think of ourselves as forward thinking, and we have a lot of innovative technology that's available to the agents right at their fingertips. So you could start with going into the agent portal, and once you get into that agent portal at ritterim.com, first thing you'll see is Medicare Full, which really is a client-facing tool that helps those clients get enrolled into a Medicare plan without the help of an agent. And attached to that is a CRM and a task management system, and they're all interconnected. So, as an agent, you're going to come for those kind of technological tools, but you're going to stay for all the rest of the tools. And we have tools like quote tools that go through all the Medicare products plus final expense and whole life products. Pretty soon, we're going to have an ancillary quote tool that's included. We have the Agent Survival Guide, we have Night School, we have trainings that are in a exclusive library that are available to you not only from a Ritter standpoint, but from a carrier standpoint. So if you really haven't checked this out, you really should, because you're missing a lot. So with that, I think that once you get in there and you take a look, the technology will blow your mind.
Does Ritter offer sales training and field sales support?
We do. We have a lot of services that we offer to agents, but training is really important. So we have built Night School. So this is our homegrown program. It is an online, on-demand agent training center. So whether you're new to Medicare or you are a seasoned agent, we have some modules available for you. Anything from learning how to close a sale to how to earn those referrals and make sure that renewal book keeps earning you revenue as your career progresses.
So, did we answer your question? If we didn't, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Here are a couple of ways to reach out to our team. By phone, email, well, maybe not a message in a bottle, but you can send us a letter or reach out to us on social media. Here at Ritter Insurance Marketing, our passion is helping insurance agents like you really thrive. How can we help your business? Reach out and let's talk about it.